It is no secret that burning fat is not an easy task, which describes why thousands of people have trouble with it every day. We'd like to help it become a lot easier. That's why we created ThermoRoast Coffee, which was made to take your weight management one step further. ThermoRoast neurologic system for optimum performance can't be accomplished with a single nutrient. It takes a stack or group of several independently performing nutrients cooperating. ThermoRoast Coffee is developed with purely natural hunger suppressants, feel-good ingredients, and detox components. ThermoRoast is a great addition to your excess fat loss management program. You won't just find managing your unwanted weight with ThermoRoast produce exciting results, but you will enjoy the taste of this delicious dark roast coffee. Get back to the person who shared this video with you and order your ThermoRoast today. Not only will you lose weight, you'll be healthier and wealthier in the process. Please share this video with people you know, love and trust in order to qualify for free monthly Valentus products. Go to the website listed on this video or below and register for free. Also, please subscribe to receive life-changing videos. Thank you.